We just came in the door here at our beautiful balcony cabin on the Holland America Zuiderdam. So I thought I would give you a room tour and give you a little bit of an idea about what to expect if you come on this ship. We will do a ship tour as well, but I just wanted to let you know what it looks like when I have been on. This room just looks the same to me as when we were on the Zuiderdam, and pretty similar, just a little bit of changes here and there to what it was on the Eurodam. So let me start off here, back up. This is your view right when you come in the door. To your left are the closets, and then I'm going to show you here the bathroom first. Now here's the light in the bathroom. It's great lighting if you want to have the light on here. Of course, when you shave, put on your makeup, it is really great lighting. You'll notice right off that first off, here's just a quick view. They do have bathtubs, same on the Zuiderdam. So on the Eurodam, they have the step-in shower with the clear plastic doors, so no shower curtains. I will point out that they do have a drain in the floor there, so if anything overflows, you're still okay. And in the shower, they do have the LMS shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So really quickly here, I do like how many hand rails they've got, so there's plenty of space. I did use that towel. I washed my hands right when we got here. So here we are in the bathroom. And you've got a mirror here to the side, which is really handy, and you can also place things in here. So that's handy during your voyage, and especially if you're on a longer voyage, it gives you some nice storage space. In the bathrooms on cruise ships, they have a place to charge your shaver there. So this has been really nice. So, oh, the other thing that I need to show you though, watch this. They have out here where you control the lights for the room. Look. You turn the light off and automatically a night light comes on. So even with shutting the door, it is still light enough if you want to just have that light only on in the evening and you come in, you can clearly see your step up. I just love that they have that. You don't have to leave the whole light on if you want to have a little bit of light in your cabin. So I think that's great. I'm going to insert some pictures here of looking at the closets, and one And one thing, I really do like about Holland America is, I'm starting to compare closets more and more. And one thing that I like is that they have a shelf here. Clearly that's where your life vests are, but you have a closet, then you've got a shelf, another storage area down here, and it's big enough. You can put your shoes here, but you can also put a lot of other things. So I really like that. And then next door we have another closet. So you could divide it up. I love that they've got their full-length mirror here. So you can see how you look before you go, make sure everything looks all right. And then really quickly here, we've got a bunch of shelves. So we have 4 life vests and the shelves. These are blankets to use while you're on the ship. A robe for each person. Didn't even have to request those. They just give them to everyone. There's your safe. Down below is another area, and I'll talk about the laundry packages in another video, but you've got a couple of towels as well as you can hang trousers or skirts there. So I think it's just great the way they do that. Now we have the configuration of the beds together. Each side has, let's just see here really well, this is the nightstand. So you've got 2 drawers there. There's a USB outlet right there. So if you need to charge anything you can. Here's your reading light right there. A nice mirror here to make the room seem bigger than it really is, which just makes it prettier as well. Directly across, you've got your TV. And when I was on Holland America, I'll let you know what it looks like this time, but they had several movies to choose from. And I want to show you the really special things. So they've got the luggage mats on the bed we just got here. But look, if you are going to celebrate a special occasion and you want to know which cruise line to go on, like your itineraries are identical and go to the places you want to go, but you are going to celebrate someone or something, it would be Holland America. And let me tell you why. I'll talk about that more in a video. But look, today is the 4th of July, 2026. So we are celebrating 250th birthday of the United States of America. So everybody gets one of these pins. And this is a beautiful scarf. I've already seen Hetty. She's in our group. She's our Holland America cruiser, the biggest cruiser in our family. Let's Go family, and a beautiful scarf that they have given everyone. And like I said, I'll talk with you about that a little bit more. Here's our cruise card. I'm not going to turn it over to show you personal information, but this they also put on the bed. So if you want anything else, you want extra towels, you want a bathrobe, that, you know, if they, I guess, don't have one for everybody, but the bed's put together, they're apart. You just list whatever it is you want, and your cabin steward will do it. And so that's very nice. The room is nicely appointed there. Coming right over here, there's your phone. And I like that they have a little memo pad and a pen. Now, all of the balcony cabins on Holland America have a love seat. So you don't have to worry about if it's a balcony, a deluxe balcony, or in this case, a veranda, deluxe veranda. You get to have a love seat, which is so convenient. They have beautiful art here. I love this. This is the Zuiderdam. And then this is the Boston cruise port. There's Gordon waiting for me to finish. Now, a few things to discuss here on the desk. So here's the desk area. You've got a chair. Right here is where the refrigerator is. Here it even says hair dryer. So when you open this, there's a blow dryer, a couple of glasses. You can also store some other things there. But I wanted to show you, first off, there's USB ports right there. And then we've got a US plug and a European plug. So if you want to use 2 at a time, bring the converter for wherever you need to bring the converter for. They give you, here's the schedule for today. It says, we're happy to welcome you back on board. We got Holland America line and welcome you back on board Holland America line and invite you to redeem this card at any bar for a special Mariner cocktail. So I'm going to try that, and I'm going to have them make it a mocktail. Now here's something that I don't remember seeing before. So they've got a little mini bar here. I do notice a few things. First off, on one hand, I think, what are we doing here? And on the other hand, I think, you know what, sometimes you just want a little something, and it's nice to have it right here. I looked over the prices, but let me show you. So you've got the pistachios, the pecans, you've got stroopwafel, peanut M&Ms. I'm surprised they do peanut with people's peanut allergies. Anyway, you've got gummy bears. In my book, gummy bears are always a good idea. Mentos and a Snickers. But the prices are all cheaper than they are when you go to the airport. I noticed that right off. Now, they also have water here. If you're going to drink this water, it costs. You can get 6 of these San Benedetto bottles of water for $27, just to give you an idea. And then they've also got some wine right there for you. So really nicely appointed desk area there. I forgot to point out, this table comes in really handy. It's adjustable here. It's adjustable, so if you order room service, you can sit here to eat your food. If you're trying to work, you've got a nice table for it. Whatever it is that you're doing, I think this is great. So let me show you the room from this direction. And also here on the right-hand side, see that? That is a curtain if you want to pull it across. Like one person's in the shower, the other person wants to rest, or if you're traveling like perhaps with a friend, want everybody to have a little more privacy, that's really handy there. If they could pull that closed, do their shower, get dressed, very conveniently. And then here is the balcony, and the doors open this way on Holland America, so no sliding glass. You just push it open here, just on this ship, and then they've got a table for your beverages, your laptop, whatever you want. And then we've got 2 chairs here, so let me zoom out a little bit. And yeah, there's the other chair. We've got ottomans under there, so if you want to put your feet up while you're here. And then here's the view of the Boston Cruise Terminal. It's a beautiful ship. We're really excited to be here, and I'm happy to share it with you. So let me know what questions you have, and we'll go forward. There it says Cruiseport Boston. That's downtown Boston right there. It takes no traffic today, about 10 minutes to get here from the airport. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be talking to y'all again really soon. Y'all take really good care. God bless you. I love you. Bye-bye.